Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Descript account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Descript account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your Descript anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and sometimes you want them to come in and edit or even manage your projects in Descript. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Descript app. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Descript, and this is the home screen. Now, before I go any further, I want to let you know, if you're going to be adding another editor or admin into your Descript, you need to pay for another license. This is not a free feature, unfortunately, but assuming you're okay with that, there's actually a few different ways you can add someone into your Descript as an admin. You can add them on the project level, or you can add them on the account level. So for example, this right here, if this project right here, I want to add somebody in as an admin or a team member, I'm going to hover over the project and then I'm going to click on these three dots. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click here, Project Access. So this is only going to give them access to this one project, not the entire account. We'll go over that in just a moment. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and enter in their email address, and then you're going to invite them to the project. Once you've added them in and they've accepted the invitation, they'll be added in right here. Now, if you want to add an admin or a team member to your entire account, what you're going to do is up here on the top left, you're going to click on Invite. So this would be adding a member into the entire account. Okay, once you do that, you can either copy the link and then give them the link so that way they can click into it and get access to your drive, or you can go ahead and enter in their email address, choose their access level, either a viewer or an editor, and then send an invitation. And same thing, they'll need to accept the invitation via their email. Now, Descript does let you know an additional editor does cost $35 per month per seat. So if you're going to have two editors, that's going to be an extra $70 per month. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Descript account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.